What's up guys, Stephen Kubish Outdoors. We're gonna be pond fishing today. I'm fishing with Dylan and Jacob, and we are going to try and catch as many bass as we can, and then maybe try and catch some crappie too. So let's get to fishing. Son, I'm not. First bass of the year.
Ah, Stephen Kubish Outdoors. Oh wait, can't put that in the video, can you?
Yeah, I can.
You using that big swim bait?
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
So look at the size.
It's a nice one.
It's a big 5-inch swim bait.
Stephen Kubish Outdoors.
There we go.
There you go, Stephen.
Are you serious?
Small bass. Is that a swim bait too?
Yeah. What is this?
Small one.
Wow, that's pathetic.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, I got a big one.
Doubled up.
No, I got one. I actually do have one. No, I actually have like a decent one. Oh no, it's a good one.
Yeah, I'll grab it. Or Jacob, you grab it.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Ooh, look who's on top of all y'all. No, hey, that's my fish. Take the camera off. Give it to me.
Grab them.
Out here fishing with Stephen Kubish Outdoors. Yeah, that's got a little bit of a belly on him. Oh, he's a fighter. Look, he's got some Indian marks on his. Yeah, he's got cut.
Got one. Oh, I saw it hit it.
You did?
Yeah. Oh, it's a big one, dude. I saw it hit it right there on the shore.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, look at that one. Look at that one. There. Second one on the big swim bait. Was that 4 fish today?
Yeah.
In like 30 minutes? Okay. Go. What the heck? That was a really weak bass.
He hit like a train though.
Now it's alive. It's still a, that's like a 14-incher. Is that 3 now?
Yeah.
How many of you guys caught? I've caught 2.
Ooh.
You didn't catch 2, you caught 1.
Dang, that's bigger than I thought it was.
Man, those things have guts. It's a big belly.
There we go. That's better. Now more like you.
Yeah.
More like us actually, because I caught a big one too.
No, I mean more like this dude. Oh, there's a rock right there. He's probably gonna hit that rock.
Bass. Hey,
Ooh,
did one of your friends lose, like, they got a picture of like a 25-inch bass?
You're gonna get nailed. Yep, you're gonna get nailed. Oh, there it should have been my fish. Oh, there it is.
That looks like the same exact one as Jacob's.
No, mine was little.
There it is. Fish number 3. Wait, fish number 3 for me. Jacob has 3 fish. And Dylan has 1. We have 7 fish. That means. I don't know if that one got out. It landed face first in the water. Hopefully it swam there. I got it suited up with the swim bait. Everything's good. Life is good. Whoa! Dude, I got that one. I got it on video.
Hey.
Just flip them.
Hey, you calm down.
On the pre-made swim bait.
Oh yeah.
And a swivel on there too.
Oh yeah. I know, I was too lazy to take off the swivel. There we go. Oh, just barely hooked.
Just barely hooked all the way down his throat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's how you know I want them.
Man, that's like the same exact one you have before. Look at the belly on that. That's like the same one.
Hey, this is fish number 4.
Nice one.
That's a nice one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There's like something else.
Even all of these fish are literally hitting the fish for like 10 feet from shore.
Yeah, they're hitting them right.
Oh, come on, big boy. You gotta clear some of this out.
They're hitting it right on like the edge of the drop off, the top
Steven,
of it.
when me and Jacob are here, we can just chuck them as far out as we can.
Oh that was that's the smallest fish ever. You're gonna fall into that water.
Oh my God, what is that?
Don't break that pole. It's still got a big gut.
Yeah.
Even for being that small.
Small
we go.
pond fish.
Let it go.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and then it probably swims. Got him. Oh, yeah.
Get the camera.
Why did you flip that?
Because.
That's the biggest one of the day. Right there.
Hold it down now.
That's a nice one. Dang it, we all cast in the same exact spot.
That one.
That's a 5-pounder right there.
No, this is like a 3-pounder.
Steve, I was holding the
that one.
camera close. You gotta say 5-pounder.
Yep.
I want to flip it.
Flip it.
Doubled up again.
Lay that one right down next to that one. Let's get a size comparison right now.
We just moved spots.
Now let's pull it up here. My
Pull it
second
up here.
cast.
Pull it up here.
My first cast, Jacob's second.
Mine's obviously bigger.
No, that's fine.
We got a 3-pound and a 5-pound.
This is a 3-pounder. That's like a 1.5.
Steven, let's see the fish one more time.
Oh yeah. Pond
We're at-
fishing at its finest here.
Yep. Hey, what is
Slaying
that?
'em.
What is that now? Fish
lost
number.
count now.
Fish number what? 10?
10. Has
10,
to be.
11?
10 in like 45 minutes.
How many? I have 2. I have
have
2
one.
big. I just caught
Oh,
one
you
over
have
there.
two.
I have 2 decent sized ones.
I have 5.
You have 5, so that's 7. How many do you have?
I have 4.
So we're at 11. And we've only been here for like what, an hour?
Yeah.
And we've only fished what, 25 yards of pond?
Uh-huh.
And there's still a whole big old cove down through there.
Whoa!
Oh!
And nothing right there.
Jacob's is the cheapest one actually.
Got one. Ooh, nice one too.
That was a nice fish.
I got a nice one.
On the Mr. Crappie pole. That's a decent one. I'll grab it.
Whoa, that's a nice one.
Actually, I don't know if I can grab it.
I'll get him to grab it right now.
Ah, there we go.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm about to fall in the water.
I'll grab it. Alright, I got it.
That's one of the
Jacob,
biggest ones there. It's a nice one there.
Yeah, it is. What would you say that is?
It's probably a high 2 3-pounder.
Yeah.
I have a
Sometimes.
scale in my tackle box. Should I go get it?
Throw that one in
Dylan,
there.
since you caught the least fish, I think you should go.
Yeah, but all of them. Think about it though. All of my.
Follow mine up. Get it right over here.
I didn't even take the hook out of my hook. It literally just fell out.
Oh, I just got it. I got him, dude. He was swimming with it.
Dude.
Right after.
Dude, this has got to be number what?
Right after Dylan just caught his.
This is 13.
This is 13.
Yeah, because it's 5
Now look at, they're choking this big bait down. Look at that. Like, they're choking this whole thing down their mouth. It's like half the size of the fish. Another nice one there. Is it around the pole?
I think so.
Oh no!
Oh yeah, you can see it.
No, are you serious?
Oh man, that sucks. Oh, I got a bass! Oh, crappie!
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to cast. I'm gonna do the same thing as you did.
Wow, crappie flip!
I'm gonna show you how to cast. Just like that.
Yeah. Dude, I saw it hit it. I didn't even feel it. Little crappie. Dude, I just saw the flash. Staying down.
Oh.
This is a decent one.
Oh!
It's not bad.
Grab it.
Decent one.
Yep, 17.
It's like that's like the average big size.
We're not even catching big ones.
Well, today. Look at that thing. The most gentlest release in the world.
Alright, there it goes.
Oh my gosh!
What a tank!
Nice flip.
Well, thank you. Come on. Oh, that's actually better than I thought it was. Dang, that's probably the biggest one I caught all day. Oh. Yeah, turd burglar. I just got it. Hello?
Well, no, I might have to start fishing for bass again. I might chatterbait.
There he
It
is.
got free.
This is a nice one.
That's a nice one.
That's number 10.
Number 10 for you.
Number 10 for me.
Wow.
Well, I caught 11, but
Savage.
that little...
I stopped fishing for bass once I got to like 7. What's up, guys? We just finished up the day. I caught like 7 or 8. Did you catch some?
I don't know.
You don't know? A few? I caught like 4 or 5. I caught also 3 crappie. Next time with Stephen Kubish Outdoors, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Guys, I forgot to say, this is the secret pond. I've been fishing here all summer. We're gonna be catching bass in here like crazy. Big ones. Today there were all the small bass, but we're gonna catch some big ones. So this is the secret pond. And there's big bass in it.
Oh!
He just caught the shore.
Husker-doo.
The Husker-doo cast right here. Okay, ready?
Come around. You
Ready for the Husker-doo?
That was Husker-doo.
The Husker-doo.
I'm fishing.